Welcome back to Auto Info Master. Today we're diving into something truly unexpected, truly groundbreaking, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome. Yes, you heard it right. Ferrari, a name that has been synonymous with speed, performance, and Italian passion, is entering the world of luxury motorhomes. And they've done it in a way that only Ferrari can, blending supercar DNA with five-star luxury travel. Whether you're a die-hard Ferrari fan, a motorhome enthusiast, or simply someone who appreciates futuristic design, this machine is bound to blow your mind. From the outside, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is like nothing the world has seen. Sculpted with aerodynamic lines that scream performance, it doesn't look like a typical RV. It looks like a hypercar stretched into a land yacht. The front end carries Ferrari's signature styling cues, with ultra-slim LED matrix headlights, a sculpted hood with carbon fiber intakes, and that iconic prancing horse badge sitting proudly in the grille. The grille itself is active, adapting to airflow and cooling needs, while also giving the vehicle a futuristic, aggressive stance. The body is crafted using a high-strength carbon-aluminum hybrid structure, which reduces weight significantly while maintaining rigidity. This also contributes to fuel efficiency and high-speed stability. Along the sides, the lines are clean and seamless. The tinted panoramic glass stretches across the entire length, and a hidden sliding mechanism extends luxury side panels when parked, creating a stylish terrace for relaxing under the stars. The 24-inch forged alloy wheels are inspired by Ferrari's F1 cars and house carbon ceramic performance brakes with signature red calipers. At the rear, you'll find a stunning quad exhaust setup, an integrated diffuser, and active aerodynamic flaps that adjust based on driving conditions. LED tail lamps wrap around the edges, adding a space-age look, while a rear-mounted camera system replaces traditional mirrors, projecting visuals onto high-res interior displays. The whole exterior is painted in Ferrari's classic Rosso Corsa red, although customers can choose from exclusive tailor-made color options through Ferrari's personalization program. Step inside, and you enter a world where motorsport performance meets Italian luxury. The cabin greets you with ambient lighting that can be adjusted through voice commands or the Ferrari SmartPad system. Premium Alcantara suede, hand-stitched Italian leather, carbon fiber accents, and brushed aluminum trim dominate the space. It's not just a motorhome. It's a rolling penthouse suite built for those who expect the best of both worlds, speed and serenity. The cockpit is straight out of a Ferrari supercar. The driver's seat is sculpted like a race bucket but offers lumbar massage and memory settings. The steering wheel features the Manettino dial, paddle shifters, and a digital race display with telemetry data. Yes, even in a motorhome. The dashboard is dominated by a 17-inch curved OLED infotainment system powered by Ferrari OS, seamlessly integrated with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, satellite navigation, and AI-based travel assistance. There's even a race mode, in case you're feeling adventurous. As for living space, the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is divided into three luxurious zones: the lounge, the bedroom, and the mobile kitchen. The lounge features a convertible L-shaped leather sofa, a 65-inch retractable 8K TV, and a surround sound system developed in collaboration with Bang & Olufsen. Hidden compartments include a minibar, refrigerated wine storage, and smart storage that adjusts shelf height based on stored items. The floor is heated and made from hand-polished Italian oak. The bedroom is no less than a luxury hotel suite. A queen-size bed with memory foam, ambient ceiling starlights, and a fold-down digital window projector that displays your location's night sky in real time, all make it a truly relaxing experience. Touch panels allow you to control temperature, blinds, music, and even the scent diffusers built into the climate system. Moving to the bathroom, you'll find a walk-in rainfall shower with LED temperature indicators, a smart toilet with self-cleaning and heated seat functions, and marble countertops with ambient vanity lighting. Everything is water-efficient, filtered, and solar-supported to reduce environmental impact. Then there's the kitchen, a modern, compact marvel. With an induction cooktop, smart refrigerator, Italian espresso machine, voice-controlled microwave, and concealed drawers, the kitchen offers everything you need for gourmet cooking on the go. Materials like tempered glass, carbon fiber, and stainless steel make the kitchen durable yet elegant. And yes, there's a Ferrari-branded dishware set included. Now let's talk performance, because this is still a Ferrari. Underneath this elegant body is a plug-in hybrid V8 engine paired with 3 electric motors, one on each rear wheel and one integrated into the front axle. Combined, the powertrain delivers a jaw-dropping 980 horsepower, making this the most powerful motorhome ever built. 0 to 60 in just under 4.2 seconds. Yes, in a motorhome. Top speed is electronically limited to 155 miles per hour for safety, but it could go faster. Ferrari's EAWD system ensures maximum grip, and adaptive air suspension keeps the ride smooth regardless of road condition. The hybrid system offers an all-electric range of around 90 miles, making short city drives emission-free. Regenerative braking, solar panel roof integration, and AI-based route optimization help enhance efficiency. The intelligent drive system adjusts performance, suspension, and power delivery in real time based on road type and driver behavior. Technology is everywhere. The Ferrari Motorhome includes facial recognition-based entry, smart keyless ignition, Level 3 autonomous driving with adaptive cruise control, lane centering, and automated parking. The entire vehicle is monitored through Ferrari Connect, allowing owners to track performance stats, cabin settings, security alerts, and even schedule maintenance via their smartphones. Safety is top-notch with 14 airbags, crash prediction sensors, automatic emergency braking, night vision assist, and 360-degree cameras. There's even a drone assistant included, which can scout campsites or scenic routes and stream aerial footage directly to the onboard displays. Of course, all of this comes with a price. The starting price of the 2026 Ferrari Motorhome is estimated at $3.5 million, but with custom options, that figure can easily surpass $5 million. Only 99 units will be produced globally, each hand-built in Maranello, Italy, with extensive personalization available. Buyers are selected by invitation only, much like Ferrari's limited edition hypercars. This motorhome isn't just a vehicle, it's a statement. It's for those who want to travel not just in luxury, but in legend. It's for those who want the heartbeat of a supercar and the soul of a 5-star resort, all in one moving masterpiece. Ferrari has successfully blended thrill and tranquility, turning the idea of a motorhome into an art form. This is not about getting from one place to another, it's about redefining how the journey itself feels. So if you ever dreamed of living the Ferrari life beyond the racetrack, this is it. The 2026 Ferrari Motorhome brings together speed, style, sophistication, and sheer innovation in a way that no brand has ever attempted. And it does it while staying true to the Ferrari legacy of uncompromising performance and elegance. That's it for today's review. If you like this video and want more updates on futuristic vehicles and automotive luxury, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Auto Info Master. Hit the bell icon so you don't miss our next big reveal. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you on the next ride into the future.